I'm going to show you pin punching. We choose a picture and we bring the tray to the table. So we're punching on the line, one hole next to each other. See? And then we put on the sun. Oh. So we punch here, and then we show the child, oh, let's see, you can see the holes here, and we need to punch all the lines so we can take out the shape.